Hi gang, it's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. Let's make some juice. I got some beets here, some green apples, some ginger. I got some celery. That is a whole bunch of celery that I just pulled apart. Got some fresh mint that I got out of the garden. I got a bunch of lemons here, bag of carrots, um, like whole carrots, and then I got some peeled carrots here, and then I got a whole pineapple. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish washing and rinsing and get all this chopped up, and I'll show y'all what it looks like on the next clip once it's all chopped up and ready to go into the juicer. Okay gang, back on the next clip. Y'all can see we got ginger cut up, we got the beets cut up, we got apples and carrots over there in that bowl cut up. We got our mint washed here, and we got our celery all washed up. And now our pineapple, I always like to do that last. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the juicing process and get the rest of this juiced up, and then I'll come back and I'll cut the pineapple up. So just wanted to show y'all the next step of everything that is washed and cleaned and ready to go in the Ninja. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket, and I'll catch y'all on the next clip once I got all of these items juiced up and we come to our pineapple portion to get that cut up and all juiced up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that like button. Comment down below, and also share the video as well for anybody learning how to make juice. And you can save it for your favorites as well for later on if you don't have the time to make the juice right now and you want to go get your ingredients at the grocery store. Go ahead and save this video. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket, and we making juice. Hi gang. Just a tip before I cut the pineapple. Y'all can see I got it upside down. I heard about this, I don't know, years ago, that when you buy a pineapple, before you cut it up, you want to turn it upside down on the counter to redistribute the juice in the pineapple, supposedly. So I always try to turn my pineapple upside down before I cut it. My second tip is when I do the carrots, I like to save the clip-ins and go ahead and put it in ice trays. You can get ice trays at the Dollar Tree. I think they're like 2 for $1 or something. But yeah, I like to go ahead and put my carrot clip-ins in ice trays and then freeze those. And once they're frozen, you can just take them out the ice tray and drop them in freezer bags. And while you're cooking, you got some carrots. Fast and easy, like when you're doing fried rices or soups or what have you. You can put it in a variety of dishes, but yeah, I like to put my carrots in a tray to have carrot cubes. You can do it with your celery, any of your vegetables, your beets. You can go ahead and cube them up for later usage. So just some tips and tricks that I wanted to give you along the way. The process of juicing that I utilize to save on vegetables for later on. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket, and I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Okay, gang, I wanted to show y'all I got 2 trays of carrot cubes for later. I'm going to put these 2 trays in a freezer bag and put them in the freezer. And then tomorrow morning, once they're all frozen, I'll pop them out the trays and just have the cubes in the bag. So I just wanted to show y'all what they look like. Alright, gang, all set with the juice. We ended up with 7 jars of juice today. Let me get a pic. Thanks for watching. Bye.